Hello, this is Olga Zinovьeva and I'm going to show you how to use the bloc in the main course area as a student and then how to export some of my work as an entry to the blog. So first I have to choose Moodle for Teachers Evo 18 and then scroll a bit down, and in the right part I will show the blog menu. I can view all entries for this course. So I will only see what the other participants added as their blog entries, if they chose for everyone to be able to see. Then I will go back and see what the other buttons show. I can view only my entries about this course. I actually have added a few. Let's see if they're here. For some reasons they are not, but I can blog about this course. So if I press this entry, this button, I will be able to give a title to my entry and blog, write something that I want about Moodle for Teachers. Then I can add an entry about this course since I have it, yes. Then I can press blog entries and you will see my blog entries that I have already added, but not about Moodle for Teachers course, but about other things. These were copy-pasted from forums, not copy-pasted, but added according to the task that I had. And at last, here, blog RSS feed, it's an external blog as far as I understand that, and there are links. Unfortunately, I haven't got an external blog, but I really feel like starting one now, and I will be sure to do that. Anyway, now the second part of my video is how to create how to export from forum to the blog. I have already opened a forum under week 1, and now I want to export this to portfolio. For this purpose I press export to portfolio under the message. Here they suggest choosing the destination. Oh, here file download appeared. That's great. Anyway, I'm just pressing next for now. And next one more time. Yes, editing. No, cancel. I don't want, because I forgot to do one very important thing. Well, I want to cancel this, and I just want to choose now that I want to edit after export. Yes, you can always return it. Then I'm pressing next again, and next one more time, continue. And so it was exported successfully, that it says that, and now I can see it. Remember how I did it, like Olga Zinovьeva. I can see, and here I can see blog entries, and you see here it is, this true or false sentences under week 1, and I can edit this if I want to. I can choose now to be seen by anyone in this site, or it can be published as a draft only to myself. I can save changes, you see. I hope this video will help you. Bye bye, have a nice weekend.